Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to share with you my favorite little black dress. I love this AUSELILY women's short sleeve pleated casual swing dress. It's got just a cute little scoop neck at the top, got the short sleeves, and real loose pleating around the empire waist. Not too short, not too long, just super comfortable. Really easy to pair down casually with some sandals, especially in these warmer months, or throw a jacket on in the cooler times. And it's just a wonderful, lightweight, breathable fabric. It's gonna be nice and soft and stretchy, and it just feels good. You could wear it all day. But the best thing, it's machine washable. So if you're looking for a little black dress, I found it for you. This dress is incredible. It's comfortable, it's lightweight, it's gonna be great for any season with or without a jacket, and of course, it has pockets. So this is definitely a closet staple little black dress, but that's just my point of view.